Let's continue working on our order details view and let's work on the products. So here we will have to add a for each loop so that we can iterate through all the products. So if we switch back while the application is running, we won't worry about this button right now, but we'll come back to this in later videos. So let's go down and we have the order summary. We have UL and LI tags. So inside UL, we will add a for each loop where we want to iterate through the order detail. So we'll say variable detail in model.order detail. For each of the detail, we will be displaying the LI. So after the LIs here, let me close the tag for each loop. And this one, I'll just add a padding to align it properly. Inside this for each loop, we have the product name. So that product name will be inside details dot. We have the product in there, and in there we have the name. This will be available because we used eager loading. If you go to our view model, not view model, inside controller, right here we included the product. So that is available. Then we want to display the price, that is inside detail dot price per square feet, and quantity will be inside detail dot square feet. Here we have to display the total price, so we'll add a $sign and we'll use the razor syntax to multiply detail dot price per square feet, and we'll multiply it by detail into the square feet that they want. Then if we scroll down, we have the order total. So that is inside the razor syntax for model.order header, and we have the final order total. This is looking good. We do not need the closing tag for each in order total. We want it after the individual product, because if we add it after total, total will be displayed in each line. Let's save this and let's go back and refresh and see we have two products. We are looking at quantity, price, the total, and the grand total. So everything is looking good right now. Next, what I want to do is shipping date. You see, this does not look good. So if it is 11001, then I would rather hide it. So for that, let me switch back and let's see where we have the shipping date. Right here, we have an ID. So I'll copy this ID and add a script tag at the end here. When we have to add script, we have to do that inside the section scripts. In there, we need the partial for validation scripts partial. So we'll say partial name is equal to underscore validation scripts partial. Then we will add a script tag and we will be adding a document.ready function. In here, we need to get shipping date. So we'll say shipping date is equal to document.getElement by ID, and we copied the ID, which is shipping date. Once you copy that, we can check here if shipping date dot value is equal to 110001. If this is the case, then we want to set the shipping date dot value to be empty. This looks good. Let me save this, go back and refresh. And great, this looks much better. So with this, we can see all the details about the order. Next, what we have to work on is when we will display these buttons and what should happen when you click these buttons to manage any of the order. Let's do that in the next video.